Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today, we're diving into the legendary 1959 Chevrolet Impala Wagon, reborn in 2025 with custom modifications that bring this classic beauty into the modern era while preserving its iconic style. This isn't just a restoration, it's a statement. The 1959 Impala Wagon was already a head-turner, with its sweeping fins, dual headlamps, and that signature wraparound rear glass. Now, in 2025, this masterpiece has been meticulously reworked, blending vintage appeal with high-performance upgrades. The first thing that grabs attention is the flawless metallic blue paint job, polished to a mirror-like shine. Every curve, every chrome detail reflects the light, making it impossible to ignore. Under the hood, the original powertrain has been swapped for a beastly modern LS3 V8 engine, delivering over 500 horsepower with effortless precision. A custom exhaust system ensures that deep, throaty rumble, pure muscle, pure attitude. This Impala Wagon isn't just about cruising, it's about dominating the streets with a mix of power and presence. The suspension has been upgraded with an air ride system, giving it that perfect stance while allowing smooth, comfortable rides. The custom multi-spoke chrome wheels, wrapped in low-profile performance tires, give this classic an aggressive yet refined look. Every detail is carefully curated, from the billet grille to the shaved door handles, giving it a seamless, futuristic edge while respecting its 1959 roots. Step inside, and you're met with a perfect fusion of retro charm and cutting-edge technology. The dashboard retains its classic design, but with a modern twist, an all-digital gauge cluster that provides real-time performance stats. The custom leather-wrapped seats offer a blend of vintage aesthetics and contemporary comfort, stitched to perfection. The center console now houses a state-of-the-art infotainment system, complete with touchscreen controls, Bluetooth connectivity, and a high-end sound system that transforms the cabin into a rolling concert hall. One of the most striking elements of this 2025 renewal is the panoramic glass roof, enhancing the airy feel of the wagon while providing a breathtaking view. The rear cargo area, once designed for practicality, is now a showcase of craftsmanship, featuring custom wood paneling and LED accent lighting. Whether you're hitting the streets or showcasing it at a car meet, this Impala Wagon is built to impress. Safety and drivability have also been brought up to modern standards. With advanced braking systems, power steering, and adaptive cruise control, this custom build ensures that you experience the thrill of classic muscle with the confidence of modern engineering. This is more than a car, it's a rolling piece of history, an icon reborn. It pays homage to the golden era of American automobiles while proving that timeless design can evolve without losing its soul. The 1959 Chevrolet Impala Wagon in 2025 isn't just a revival, it's a revolution. Thanks for watching Muscle Car. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more legendary rides. Stay tuned for the next beast on wheels.